Think you can spot a scam? Think again. In 2025, AI scams are smarter than ever. Here's how you can stay one step ahead. Trust me, you're going to want to watch this. Hi everyone. We're OneConnect, a social enterprise based right here in Glasgow, and our mission is simple. We want to empower you by boosting your technology and digital participation skills. Plus, every time you support us, part of our profits go to running free IT classes and befriending events for our local community. Because let's be real, everyone deserves to be tech savvy in 2025. Okay, now let's get serious for a minute. Scammers are getting more creative, and unfortunately, AI is their newest best friend. Yep, AI can now make emails, websites, and even social media posts look like they're coming from your best friend, your bank, or even your boss. Here's the deal. While AI is super useful, scammers are using it to send you emails that look official, messages that feel personal, and even fake customer support that's just a bot with a fancy voice. So what's the problem with that? Well, it's so convincing that even the most tech-savvy people fall for it. Yikes. But don't worry, you're not doomed. We've got your back with some fun and easy tips on how to spot these scams and avoid them like a pro. The solution: how to spot AI-generated scam 1. Check for inconsistent language. Tip number 1, AI loves to throw out awkward phrasing. Ever received an email that says, "Dear esteemed customer, it has come to our attention that you need to update your account immediately." I mean, who talks like that? AI-generated messages often have strange word choices like immediately, urgent, or confirm right now, which just screams scam. So if you get a message that doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. 2. Hover over suspicious links. Next, here's a golden rule. Hover before you click. No, we're not talking about hovering your mouse for no reason. This is a serious tip. Simply hover your mouse over any links in an email or message before clicking. If the URL looks anything like secure login update now, click here. Instead of something legit like, quote, bankofyourchoice.com, comma quote, don't click. Even if it looks real, the link could take you to a dangerous site. Be a hover master. Tip number 3, verify the sender. If you get an email from your bank, but it's coming from No Reply Bank, really weird name. You know something's fishy. Scammers love to spoof email addresses. They might look like they're coming from the real deal, but have a sneaky letter or number mixed in. So double check, triple check, and then trust your gut. 4, check for poor grammar or strange formatting. AI has come a long way, but trust me, it's not perfect. Check out any emails that look too good to be true for strange grammar or formatting. For example, "We are here to confirm your successful transaction." Wait, what? Did a robot just try to spell check that for us? Scammers often rely on AI-generated content that has weird grammar or even broken images. Real businesses don't make these mistakes, so if it's too good to be true, double check. 5, look for AI-generated visuals. Alright, here's where things get wild. AI can create images and videos that look shockingly real. But sometimes there are subtle clues. AI can mess up basic things like how shadows fall on faces or how someone blinks. So, if the visuals feel off, trust your instincts. You can also use reverse image searches or facial recognition tools to check if those perfect images are really legit. So, now that you know what to look for, let's talk about how you can protect yourself from these AI scams. 1. Install scam detection software. First things first, get some AI-powered scam detection software. These tools scan emails, websites, and messages for any signs of AI-generated scams. Think of them as your personal digital bodyguard. 2. Stay educated and keep up to date. One of the best ways to protect yourself from scams is by being educated. Stay up to date on the latest AI trends and how scammers are using it. You don't need to be an expert, but knowing the basics can save you big time. Follow cybersecurity blogs, subscribe to newsletters, or even check out YouTube tutorials. Knowledge is power, folks. 3. Take digital skills training and, of course, empower yourself with digital skills. The more you know about technology, the more you can spot scams before they even have a chance to reach your inbox. So, if you want to protect yourself and your loved ones from these AI scams, make sure you check out our digital training programs. Empower yourself, learn essential skills, and get ahead of the curve. Here at OneConnect, we offer a range of digital skills training courses that can help you become a scam-fighting expert. Our services including digital skills training, community outreach, expert guidance, and affordable courses, while our products including digital resources and website design and maintenance. From basic computer skills to advanced cybersecurity, we've got you covered. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, and tips on avoiding AI scams. Thanks for watching. Remember, scams may be evolving, but so are you. Stay informed, stay safe, and let's keep learning together.